You clean your apartment, and a day later, dust is back again. On your furniture, your floors, everywhere. So why does your apartment still feel dusty, even after cleaning? Dust isn't just dirt. It comes from fabric fibers, skin cells, outside air, everyday movement. And in apartments, that dust has nowhere to go. It just keeps circulating. Cleaning removes dust from surfaces, but it doesn't stop dust in the air. So as soon as you move around, sit down, or open a window, dust gets back into the air and settles again. To reduce dust long-term, you need to target airborne particles. That's where air purifiers come in. They continuously pull dust out of the air before it settles. Most people don't see a difference because their purifier is too small, or they don't run it consistently. For example, something like the Levoit Core 400S can circulate more air in larger apartment spaces, helping reduce dust faster over time. So if your apartment always feels dusty, it's not just a cleaning problem, it's an air circulation problem. And once you fix that, you start seeing a real difference. And if you want to see the best air purifiers for apartments, check out this next video.